In part 3 of Lab 2, we are going to configure views. Views restrict user access to the Cisco IOS CLI and configuration information. AAA should be enabled. We talk about AAA in Chapter 3. Use the command enable view to enable the root view, and for this example, we just use the enable password for the password. In this section, we configure a top-level user below root. It has most authority. We start with creating a view called admin1 and its secret password admin1pass. Now we can review the commands that can be configured in the admin1 view. Just use the command and the question mark. Then we add all config, show, and debug commands for admin1 view. Okay, now we exit from the view configuration mode and verify the admin view by enabling the view admin1 and putting the password admin1pass and issuing the command show parser view. By using the question mark, examine the commands available in the admin1 view. The next view we are going to create is only allowed to view the configuration but not changing any configuration. So we start with enable view, putting the password Cisco12345, and then pass the view admin2 and the secret admin2 pass. Now we allow all show commands for the view. Then we exit from view configuration mode. To verify the admin2 view, we need to do the enable view admin2 or enable it and putting the password admin2 pass and then issuing the command show parser view. Then we do the same thing with the question mark to see what this user can see or what can do in terms of commands. The last view we are going to create is take view, which only allows to use selected show commands. So first we had admin1, which was just below the root and it has all the authorities, all the show commands, config and debugs. Then we had admin2 view with the ability to use all the show commands but not any configuration commands. And then we have this take view, which doesn't have the configuration commands but some of the show commands only. As you can see, we only include version, interface, IP interface brief, and parser view show commands to the take view. At the end, we verify the take view and all the commands that it can use by using the same method that we used for admin 1 and admin 2. We just try one of the show commands which are allowed on tech view, show IP interface brief, and you can see the output comes. But now if we try the show IP route, which is not allowed in this view, we shouldn't see any outcome. Now if we return to the root view and issue the command show run, we should be able to see all the views that we created in this step. At the end, we just save the configuration by issuing the command copy running config to a startup config.